everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video I will show you how to change download location in Windows 10 in a simple and easy way, so you can manage your files better. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer from the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, or simply press Windows plus E on your keyboard. File Explorer is the place where you can access all your files and folders on your computer. This is important because the Downloads folder is located inside File Explorer. Step 2. In the left panel, find the Downloads folder, then right-click on it and select Properties from the menu. The Downloads folder is where all your downloaded files are saved by default. Opening Properties allows you to change settings related to that specific folder. Step 3. Once the Properties window opens, click on the Location tab at the top. The Location tab shows the current path where your Downloads folder is stored on your computer. This section is important because it lets you change where future downloaded files will be saved. Step 4. Click on Move. Then choose the new folder location where you want your downloads to be saved and click Select Folder. You can select an existing folder or create a new one in a different drive for better storage management. This step helps you free up space on your main drive if needed. Step 5. Click Apply and then click Yes to move existing files to the new location. This will transfer all the current downloaded files to the new folder automatically. It ensures that your old and new downloads stay organized in one place. Step 6. Finally, click OK to confirm the changes. This saves your new download location and completes the process. From now on, all new downloads will be saved to the folder you selected. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.